So we are on the second walk around the trail with Prince in his first trail outing. Whew. He just gave me a run for my money, barking and running at other dogs. He is definitely not ready for the public. And he's only 3 months. We're okay as long as other people, and I've learned today, as long as there's no creepy men in trucks walking past us, we are okay. You want to go down there? Huh? Okay, let's go see what's down here. Come on. You come with mommy. You ready? We still haven't perfected the leash. I'm still getting tangled. We've got to get so much better, Prinster. We've got to do this more often, which is why I brought him out today. He's got to get acclimated to this life. Because right now he is a killer. I'm going to walk with mommy. It's pretty up here. This is actually February in Charlotte, North Carolina. All right, let's go. I'm sure somebody's going to watch this video and have many tips on how to tame this beast. Prince, can you tell the world hello? Are you in the mood for that? Are you in the mood? Say nope. Too much other stuff going on out here. Oh, that's what's going on. It's people up there. Okay, let's head back this way. I've got a feeling you don't like it that way. And I know I'm supposed to be leading him and not him leading me, but it seems like this is the only way I'm not getting tripped up. Ah, Jesus, help me. Any pointers? Feel free to go ahead and let them out in the comments. Yep, almost lost my nuggets. Ah. All right, flat grounds. Let's go this way. Again, this is his first little trail walk. Prince, that's disgusting. Three-monther, German Shepherd, AKC registered, male. But he's definitely not an easy puppy. That's disgusting as well. Want to go around one more time and then we go? Because mommy's cold. We're just going for a morning walk. Hopefully when we get home he'll be relaxed after this hike and all the interesting scents that he smells. Is that another boy dog? We haven't got to the point yet where he's lifting up his leg to pee. He's still doing a little, he's not really squatting, but he just stands there. So that's going to be interesting. What are you discovering, Prinster? What's over here? Huh? What you see? All right, let's go down this trail. Here, hey, this one, it's got some steps and stuff. Ready? Come on, this way. Step, good boy. Come. Step, good boy. Ooh, wait, you gotta know Mama can't be jumping that deep. Got a warning now. That's a deep jump. Ready? Come. Stay with Mommy. Let's burn this energy, boy. Come on now, we gotta go up. Ready? Can you get up that step? That's a big jump. Oh, you're just gonna go around it. Okay. That's a big one too. Mommy jumped it. Can you jump it? Good boy. Good boy. All right, looks like we're gonna go down. You ready? Whew. Where does it lead? Where does it lead? I don't know where it leads to. Okay, let's go figure it out. Come on. Ooh. Is that a new scent you never smelt before? Okay. I think we're about ready to go. Okay, let's go back to the car. Say that's all, folks. We Audi 5000. Looks like he knows his way back. Because he's leading me. Okay. Those are big steps. That's other dog's poop. Disgusting. Good boy. Ooh, that's a steep one. Whew. Hey, let's go work these steps real quick. Let's see what these are about. Can you jump down? Good boy. What's this place all about? That's interesting. Looks like it might have been a choir stand or something out in the middle of the woods. Made out of woods in the middle of the woods. North Carolina. Not gonna ask. Just gonna keep walking. Come on. Work that hill, boy. Work that hill, boy. Work that hill, boy. Okay, come on. Say, that's all, folks.